Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make the Batman throwing icon. I'm gonna start with the reference image. Now in 3D sketch, let's give the basic line. Choose line segment. Now let's select arc 2 and give some curves to it. Always select the green dot. No need to rush, do it easily. Now let's delete the extra lines. This, select the edge selection from here and select the extra lines. No need to hold shift. Perfect. Now delete it. Now I'll delete the reference image. I don't need it anymore. And let's fill it. Go to modify tools and fill polygon. Always preview it first. Now we will add some thickness to it. 20 is perfect. Now let's change the color to black. And I'm gonna add a little insert for the edges. So select polygon face in advanced setting, part selection, select the upper part and insert it around 3. Now again part selection. Now we have the outer line and I will give silver color to it. And we are done. Hope you like the video. Do share and comment. Thank you.